Guys.
Hey guys!
Hi guys, what are you gonna do today?
This lion.
Yeah, show mommy the lion.
Lion.
Lion! Can you put it in the clean water now? Okay, what's the next animal?
Sheep.
Sheep! What's that?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar? Woo!
Horse.
What's that? What's that?
Horse.
Okay. What's that?
Turtle.
A turtle. Ooh, it's a big turtle. Let's put it in the clean water. Mmm.
Giraffe.
Say hi. Show everyone the giraffe.
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 Tiger.
Tiger. Show everyone the tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Beautiful. What's next, darling?
Cheetah.
A cheetah?
Yes.
Ooh.
Donkey.
A donkey?
Donkey.
Donkey. Lovely, darling.
Zebra.
Hey, what's that?
Zebra.
A zebra? Oh, can I see that? I can't see that. What's that, darling?
Hippo.
A hippo!
Orange.
Oh, what's that?
Orange.
Orange cow.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Tiger.
Tiger, go down the slide.
Go inside.
Duck, go on the slide. Go. Whee!
Giraffe go outside.
Giraffe goes down the slide.
The peacock.
That's not a peacock. What's that?
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Flamingos.